Why are there not more people talking about detox diets? Detox diets often promise quick results by eliminating toxins from your body. But here's the catch. Your body already has a built-in detox system, your liver and kidneys. Detox diets can be extremely harmful because they often involve severe calorie restriction and the elimination of essential nutrients. This can lead to dizziness, fatigue, and even more serious health issues like electrolyte imbalances. Plus, most of the weight you lose on a detox diet is water weight, which you gain back as soon as you resume normal eating. One of the biggest misconceptions about detox diets is that they can reset your body. In reality, no scientific evidence supports this claim. Many detox diets also require expensive supplements and juices, which can be a waste of money. The truth is, you can support your body's detoxification naturally by drinking plenty of water, eating fiber-rich foods, and maintaining a balanced diet. In my opinion, detox diets are not just misleading, but potentially dangerous. That's why I rank them as F tier. Extreme calorie restriction diets promise quick weight loss by drastically reducing the number of calories you consume. While it might seem logical that eating fewer calories will lead to weight loss, this approach can be extremely harmful. When you cut your calorie intake too severely, your body goes into starvation mode, slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. This can actually make it harder to lose weight in the long run. Moreover, extreme calorie restriction can lead to serious nutritional deficiencies. Your body needs a certain amount of vitamins and minerals to function properly, and drastically cutting calories makes it challenging to meet these nutritional needs. This can result in a weakened immune system, hair loss, and even bone density loss. Additionally, extreme calorie restriction can have psychological effects. It's essential to focus on a sustainable approach to weight loss that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. In my opinion, extreme calorie restriction is not a sustainable or healthy method for weight loss. Therefore, I would rank it as a D-tier diet strategy. Cutting out entire food groups is a common diet tip, often seen in plans like the ketogenic diet or gluten-free diet for those without celiac disease. While this might seem like a straightforward approach to weight loss, it can be both misleading and harmful unless medically necessary. Eliminating entire food groups can lead to nutritional imbalances and deficiencies, as each group provides essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. For instance, cutting out carbohydrates completely can deprive your body of its primary energy source, leading to fatigue and brain fog. It's important to remember that each food group has its unique benefits, and a well-rounded diet includes a variety of nutrients from all sources. Focus on moderation and balance. In my opinion, cutting out entire food groups is not the best approach and can be quite risky. Therefore, I would rank this diet tip as C tier. Juice cleanses are often marketed as a quick way to detoxify your body and jumpstart weight loss. However, they are misleading and not a sustainable way to achieve your health goals. While juices can be a good source of vitamins and minerals, they lack the fiber found in whole fruits and vegetables. This fiber is essential for digestive health and helps you feel full, something that juice alone cannot provide. Furthermore, juice cleanses can lead to significant calorie deficits, causing fatigue, dizziness, and a weakened immune system. The weight loss experienced during a juice cleanse is mostly water weight, which will quickly return once you resume normal eating. Another issue with juice cleanses is the high sugar content. Instead of relying on juice cleanses, focus on incorporating whole fruits and vegetables into your diet, which provide both the nutrients and fiber your body needs. In my opinion, juice cleanses are not worth the hype and fall into the D tier for diet tips. They are neither effective nor sustainable for long-term health. Low-carb diets like Atkins or ketogenic are popular for weight loss and health benefits. They can be beneficial but also misleading if not done correctly. Carbohydrates are essential, providing the primary energy source for your body. Reducing carbs drastically puts your body in ketosis, using fats for energy. Ketosis can cause side effects like fatigue and headaches. Not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbs spike blood sugar levels. Complex carbs provide sustained energy and nutrients. Follow a low-carb diet under professional guidance to meet nutritional needs. Overall, I would rank low-carb diets as B tier. They have potential benefits but require careful management to avoid pitfalls. Intermittent fasting, or IF, has gained traction as a popular diet trend, with proponents claiming it can help with weight loss, improve metabolism, and even extend lifespan. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial for some people, it's essential to approach it with caution. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with various methods like the 16-8 or 5-2 approach. One of the potential benefits of intermittent fasting is that it can help reduce overall calorie intake and improve insulin sensitivity. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people may experience negative side effects like irritability, headaches, and difficulty concentrating during fasting periods. It's crucial to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet during eating periods to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. As with any diet, consulting with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting is recommended. Overall, intermittent fasting can be a useful tool for some, but it may not be suitable for everyone. We rank it as a B-tier diet option. Plant-based diets focus on foods primarily from plants, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. While generally considered good for health, they can be misleading if not balanced properly. A well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the necessary nutrients your body needs and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. However, it's essential to ensure you're getting enough protein, iron, calcium, and vitamin B12, which are commonly found in animal products. For instance, plant-based sources of protein include beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Another potential pitfall is relying too heavily on processed plant-based foods, which can be high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. If you're considering a plant-based diet, consulting with a registered dietitian can help you plan balanced meals that meet your nutritional needs. Overall, plant-based diets are a fantastic choice when done correctly. We rank them as a tier for their potential health benefits and sustainability. The Mediterranean diet is often hailed as one of the most beneficial and sustainable diet tips. This eating pattern is inspired by the traditional dietary habits of people living in Mediterranean countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, fish, and olive oil. The Mediterranean diet is rich in nutrients and has been linked to numerous health benefits. One of the key benefits of the Mediterranean diet is its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. The diet is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats from olive oil and omega-3 fatty acids from fish, which support heart health. Additionally, the high intake of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you're looking for a diet that's both nutritious and delicious, the Mediterranean diet is a great option to consider. In my opinion, the Mediterranean diet stands out for its balance and health benefits, earning it an S tier ranking in our list of diet tips. A balanced diet is the most beneficial way to achieve and maintain good health. It focuses on a variety of nutrients and food groups, ensuring that your body gets everything it needs to function optimally. A balanced diet includes a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats. This approach helps you meet your nutritional needs, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. One of the key principles of a balanced diet is moderation. It's not about eliminating certain foods, but rather enjoying them in appropriate portions. This allows you to enjoy a wide range of flavors and textures while still meeting your nutritional goals. By focusing on a variety of whole, unprocessed foods and practicing mindful eating, you can achieve a balanced diet that supports your health and well-being in the long term. In my opinion, a balanced diet is the gold standard for healthy eating. That's why I rank it as S tier. Let's quickly recap our rankings. Detox diets received an F, extreme calorie restriction got a D, and cutting out entire food groups was rated C. Juice cleanses also earned a D, while low-carb diets and intermittent fasting both scored a B. Plant-based diets were rated A, and both the Mediterranean diet and a balanced diet achieved the top S ranking.